I heard a little rumor today that there may be some nice fluffy snow up in the mountains. Turns out those rumors were actually right on point. Yeah, and how about this? We are the first customer of the day. Wow. Does it get any better? And we're back into 4 High, where I love to reside. I realize some of you out there may not think this is a big deal, but to a desert dweller such as myself, snow is absolutely wonderful to experience, and luckily we live in a state where we can kind of go play with it. Then when we're done with it, we come on back home and leave that snow way up north where it belongs. The peace and solitude is so immense here, it's almost starting to get uncomfortable. You know what? I think it's time we ditch this comfortable cab and get us some time in the air. Yeah, scariest part of the day has just happened to me. Flew the drone out and of course lost eyesight on it. That happens when it gets far away, but then because of the snow, I couldn't get my eyes to really adjust to watching the screen on my phone. So long story short, kind of a hairy, scary moment there, but I ended up using sound listening to get it back into an area where I could finally land it. So that's probably what, 5th, 6th time I've flown that thing. They don't grow on trees, so that was a very precarious moment. You know, but on the other hand, I'll tell you what does grow on trees. Bilstein ham radios, guys, and look at this. We have got one ripe for the picking. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe catch this on camera. There we go. Oh, that's a ripe one, baby. Hey, we get a little silly up here at 4RunnerTV. I mean, I spent enough working years taking life seriously. Even then, it was a struggle. Now, we just roll. a good example. We got ourselves into a little situation here, and had to actually use, of all the tools that we have on our control panel here, we've got I think that's traction control, that's A-track. I'm not sure what the difference between the two is, but the locker is the one that actually got me out of the pickle. So locking rear differential is the one thing that I use. And to unlock it, we just actually throw it there, throw it neutral, hit that button, it starts blinking, put it back in drive, away we go. Yeah, it was just a little area back there I was turning around in, and I didn't want to get too far because, as you can tell, we've got quite a long way to fall. Things go haywire. So, yeah, all fun, guys, all fun. Just gonna keep it at 4 low. Get up this hill. You never know. Still climbs like a goat even in these conditions. I don't have real snow tires on. They're just cheap ass Pathfinders, which, by the way, I need to take in and get rebalanced, because what happened is on one of my adventures, one that I didn't film, I picked up well, a big long screw, and had it patched, but I think what happened is it needs balance now, and I can feel it around 75-80 miles an hour on the highway. A little shudder, not much, nothing that's going to end the trip today, obviously. But got to remember that if you ever get a tire patched, you know, get plugged or something, make sure you get that thing rebalanced, especially if you're going to use it on the highways. Well, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed that little fun little run we had up here in the snow. I know I had a real good time. I'm showing you about 8 minutes of 3-4 hour journey. And so it's probably time for me to head on back. And if you're still watching this far, I really appreciate it. Anyway, who knows where we're going to go next? Everything's a whim to me. Life is just a whim, whatever I feel like. And I guarantee you, I'll probably capture about 8-9 minutes of it for you. So we'll talk to you.